Stupid Science by Cooper and Joe. Experiment 1, WaterFall. Danger level 2. Take 1. Test 1.
This is test 1, and we're testing how consistent the stream is at a close distance when we barely pour it. Cooper, are you ready?
Yeah, I got my protection on.
3, 2. Oh yeah, also to add a little entertainment, we're gonna have Cooper to try to catch it in his mouth.
Hello.
All right, 3, 2, 1. You have to suffer.
Quick break.
Test 2.
Our quick break is over, so it's time for test 2 to see how consistent the stream of the water is when at a close distance, pouring it at a fast rate. All right, are you ready, Cooper? 3,
No, not really, but
2,
let's do it.
1.
We'll be right back.
Test 3.
And we're back from our small break. Now it's time for test 3. And we're going to be testing the water flow when we're barely pouring it at a far distance. So, you ready, Cooper?
Well, not really, but let's do it.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
This is pretty easy, but long. That one went on my eye.
Test 4.
This is our final test, test 4, and we're testing how consistent the water flow is whenever we pour it at a fast rate from a farther distance. You ready, Cooper?
Yeah.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
We'll see you at the conclusion.
In conclusion, a slower speed made it more consistent.